Okay, friends, so let's talk about what our new letter and our new number of this week are going to be. So right behind me, there's our letter. It is the letter N. And we're going to see what that looks like when we write it on the road. Let me flip you around here. Okay, here's our road, and I already have two little black dots. One up here at the top of the road and one just underneath the hash mark. So I put those there because that's where we're going to start our letter N. So the first one is going to be the uppercase or the capital. We're going to start at the top because we always start our letters at the top, and we're going to go sliding, sliding, sliding. Now our lowercase is going to start just underneath the dotted line, and it's going to go slide, climb, slide. Now, just like the letter M, the letter N is different because the uppercase has points and the lowercase has a hump. How many humps do you see there? I see one hump, yep, but the lowercase m has two. That's right. So, uppercase N, lowercase n. Get out your magic marker again, your finger up in the air. We're going to go sliding, sliding, sliding for the uppercase. And our lowercase is going to go slide, climb, slide. Very good. Now, our number this week is 20. So we're going to start here. We're going to go around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. And then we're going to make a 0, which is what shape? You got it. It's an oval. So let's see what that looks like when we do it with hash marks. Okay, here we go. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many groups of 5 do you see there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of 5. So let's put 5 here, and then 10 here, 15 here, and 20 here. So we can see what that would look like if we counted by 5s. So let's do that together. 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. Okay, so now we know our letter is going to be N, our number is going to be 20, and our theme this week is going to be about birds. So I want you to be listening for the birds singing. They will even be out singing in the rain, I promise. And I also want you to go around and find things in your house that start with the letter N. What are some things that start with the letter N? Well, we have one on our face. Yep. And one thing that holds our head on our shoulders, what's this part of our body? You got it. You know what? Let me give you some extra hints. Let's go to our treasure box and see what we have. Okay, I have our treasure box open. Now, I'm thinking of something that you might use to put 2 pieces of wood together, and you need a hammer to get it in. What would that be? It's sharp and pointy. It's a nail. That's right. Let's see how we spell that word. N-A-I-L, nail. Very good. Okay, this is something else that you might use to catch bugs with, or if you have a fish on your line, you might use this in your boat. It is a net. That's right. Now this one, I think we can spell it together. So let's think. What is our letter of the week that says N? Okay, What says E? That's right. Okay, net. What is that last sound? T. You got it. Very good. Let's see if we're right. We're right. Very good. Proud of you. Okay. Oh, this is something that you use to sew. You put some thread in it. It's very pointy. Gotta be careful. It is a needle. That's right. And that's how we spell needle. Good job. Okay, if it is not daytime, it is what? Night. Look at the stars. That's how you know it's night. The sky is black and the stars are out. Now, when you play music, you have to read the notes. Note. That's a music note. And, oh, this is a good one. This is a type of coin. It's not a dime. It's not a penny. It's not a quarter. It is a nickel. That's right, a nickel. And let's do one more. Okay, so our theme this week is birds. Where do birds live? Okay, I know they live in a tree, but what kind of dwelling do they have in the tree? A nest, right? That's what we call our classroom, right? The nest, because we're eagles. You got it. So the one thing I forgot to tell you, for our sound and motion for in, we're gonna grab our what? Nose and go, Can make it sound really funny. That's what our sound and motion is for in. Now that you know what our letter and our number of the week are going to be, I want you to go around your house and look for some things that start with the letter N. And I want you to see if you can find 20 of something. You don't have to find 20 of something that starts with the letter N. You may not be able to do that. But you can find 20 of something else. Maybe you have 20 crayons. Maybe you have 20 colored pencils. Maybe you have 20 cars. I know some of you have 20 cars. Maybe you have 20 dinosaurs at home. And you can put them in a line and count them and use your finger and count each one. Okay, see if you can do that and show your parents. Now, things that start with the letter N around your house. We've got one on our face. Maybe you eat these, it's spaghetti noodles. That's one. When you look out of your window and you see the people that live next door to you, what do we call them? Your neighbors. That's right. That's right. So I want you to go around your house and have fun on a scavenger hunt, finding things that start with N and 20 of something else, okay? All right, we're gonna do a fun craft in a little bit too. You're gonna need aluminum foil, a paper plate, and some black paint. If you don't have black paint, get a black marker, okay? We'll see what that is in a minute.